stopped by my house really fast because I remembered that I ordered that phone case, not phone case, camera case. And it has like a strap. I don't know, so I'm not very prepared for this hike, and I'm sure the ladies might tell me that, but I don't have like a pack yet, so I just have my little Camelback that I'm probably gonna end up running out of water with. And there's not a whole lot of room in there for a lot of stuff, and I really didn't want my camera in there again because that's where it was the last couple of hikes. And it got all hot and stuff, and so I thought last night while I was laying in bed trying to fall asleep, I was like, oh yeah, I have that camera case that has a strap that I can put around my neck at home. So I'll just leave early and then stop by home. So that's what I did. And then also I needed socks, hiking socks. I put the insoles of my tennis shoes, my older tennis shoes, in my hiking boots because my old hiking insoles are bad. They gave me a foot cramp in like 2 seconds. So I put those insoles in there. I'm still kind of debating, and I have like a 25-minute drive to make up my mind. I don't know if I might just wear my tennis shoes because I brought those too, just because I'm used to them, or I might just wear my hiking boots. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But anyway, I have my pancakes because I figure those are things that I don't need to like heat up. Or do I, since there's eggs in them? No, because they're already cooked. That should be fine, right? That's fine. I might not eat them anyway. We'll see. So yeah, now I'm driving. Whee! I can't see it. It disappeared.
So what's your next 30,000 a lot? No, I'm trying to be here. I'm doing a trip with you guys and a cattle ride, and that's kind of it right now. Well, I thought you're saying a lot of living there. No, I don't have other. Ready? We should film you doing one of your things here.
Doing one of my...
Your banana stars.
One of my vlogs?
Yeah. We should film it where you're against the river, like sitting in the middle.
I'm already filming. Oh, I don't know. It's one wavy river.
Want a picture right there?
We've walked to a different state.
He felt it. He goes, it's good. He goes, you just need to get more strength around it. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, with guard you won't have that problem.
Yeah.
And then some jobs out there are full time.
Some of the air guard. Yeah.
Some of them.
Well, that's cool. It looks like it stopped.
Yeah, it's a short train. Get faster.
It must be going, it either stopped or it's going very slow. I think it stopped.
It's going really slow.
But we can make it. We can even put it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, hike 1 was completed. And then when I was driving home, I remembered that I used Kittle's last can of food this morning for breakfast. So I had to stop at Walmart really fast. Which meant having to put on tennis shoes, having to put shoes on. Because generally, when I go hiking, I'll bring like flip-flops or slippers or something, because once you take your hiking boots off, you really don't want to put them back on. I mean, today's hike was not too bad. It was 7.5 miles with 1,000-foot elevation gain. But even still, as soon as I got to the car, I took my boots off, because that's just what you do. That's what I do anyway. I didn't want to drive a half hour with my boots on, so I took those suckers off. And then I remembered I needed to get cat food, and then I was like, well, shit. So I put my tennis shoes on. I was really trying to go all day today without spending any money, but that did not happen, obviously, because cat food. So, oh well. I won't spend any money for the rest of the day. That'll be fine. Unless somebody texts me and it's like, hey, let's go out, then that's one thing. But I don't, as of right now, I don't have any plans, so. I'm gonna go home. I don't think I can shower because I think Mom is doing the flooring in the shower, in the bathroom. So, I don't know, but I am hungry. Tired and hungry. But yeah, it was a pretty good hike. That was loud. Did you hear that? Also, my lashes are notably getting worse and worse because I think I hit the 2-week mark yesterday. And you're supposed to go get them done like every 2 to 3 weeks, but that's not happening. So the next appointment I have is on the 21st of this month. So I have like 3 weeks still before I get them done again. So they're gonna end up looking really funny, and at some point I'm probably just gonna end up pulling a bunch of them out because they'll probably end up looking stupid, but whatever. Okay, so it is several hours later. Yoda's whining. That's why Yoda's whining.
Oh, because
because of me.
Because of you.
It's all because of me. Oh.
So mom's working on the bathroom upstairs, so I've not showered. And I still feel sunscreeny, but whatever. So I was watching some Jersey Shore. I took a nap. I hung out with grandma for a little bit, and for some reason, probably because on the hike they were talking about red wine, and then in Jersey Shore they had red wine, and for some reason I just really want red wine. And it's not good usually. I don't really usually like red wine, but I'm thinking I might go run down to the little gas station and get like one of those little bottles just to see, because for some reason I just really want it, and I don't exactly know why. I don't need it, so maybe I won't, but I kind of want to. It's just so nice out. It makes me want to go walk by the river and drink wine. Without the walking part and the river part, because I don't have any friends. Not really. I have plenty of friends. I could text one of them and be like, yo, let's go downtown, walk by the river. But I also don't want to. I've done a lot of peopling today. I'm cool with peopling, but I'm kind of tired of peopling. So yeah, that's where I'm at currently. Currently debating on if I want to go get a little bottle of wine or not. Would you like to go outside, my little dog? You know, if you learned how to use the doggy door, you could do that yourself. Ridiculous. So I don't think I had mentioned my new camera case, but I got my new camera case. This is the top, so the bottom is like screwed on to the camera right now. So this goes over it and then buttons in the bottom. So that's pretty cool. I like it. Definitely more protective than a beer cozy. Okay, well, the little store at the corner isn't nearly as good as 7-Eleven because they only had those little wines in 4-packs for as much as an entire bottle of wine. And they didn't have any red wine anyway, so, well, any little red wines. Because I just wanted one little red wine, because I'm pretty sure I don't like red wine, so I didn't want to buy a whole bottle. But they have these things, Monaco, so these are okay. I just wish I had my red wine or a 7-Eleven up here, because 7-Eleven's way better, because 7-Eleven has little bottles of red wine. So they are. Also, I forgot I ordered these pants on Amazon like a while ago. No, I never know where to put you. Here, I'll put you on top of my coffee maker. Oh, and now it has a thing on the bottom. Oy. Great, so now I can't like set my camera up. I don't know. This case is cool and all, but I'm not sure if I'm about it. Here, what if I put you on something squishy? Will that help hold you up? I don't know, I give up. This doesn't work. Well, I'm thoroughly unimpressed. First of all, it was very obvious it was from one of those like super shitty, everybody made in China, everybody buys them and then resells them, and really shitty made. Feels really bad material. Feels like shit. I'm not a fan. It feels not sticky, but it almost feels sticky. If it was better material, they'd be really cute and not huge. This is a medium. And can you see my feet? No, because they're buried. So, I don't know. Might be okay sleeping pajamas, but even then I don't really know, because they're not good material. I don't know. That sucks. I'm not a fan though. So that sucks. Yoda, stop eating the ball, please. I mean, they hang nicely, but it's really bad material, so. And they're huge. So, whatever. I'm gonna stop buying shit on Amazon for $5 now. Okay, also something I forgot to talk about today is that it is June 1st. Therefore, Happy June has started. This is my cousin. Her name's Kirsten. She's a life coach. She's amazing. And she's doing this thing for the month of June for all 30 days called Happy June. And she's trying to bring more awareness. She's trying to help people bring more awareness to their happiness. Today's was happy stamps. So you go through a happy moment or a happy something, and then you say, happy stamp. I'm gonna put a happy stamp on that. And it's just awesome. So this is day 1 of Happy June. I will link her down below. You should join that shiz. It's free. Just do it. Be fucking happy, okay? We're all gonna be happy. You be fucking happy too, okay? Okay, cool. I finally got to shower, which is fine. Mom was working really hard on the bathroom. She still hasn't fully finished it, but it's getting there. She went back down to South Reno, where she's pet sitting, and she said it's absolutely pouring there. Definitely not pouring here. Little cloudy. It looks like it might rain a bit later, but other than that, no precipitation up here. But anyway, I finally got to shower. I've been listening to a TED Talk by actually Maisie Williams, who's on Game of Thrones. I saw her though on Doctor Who, I believe it was Doctor Who. Yeah. So that's fun. And now it is 8. Holy hell, it's 8? I definitely thought it was like 7. Okay, well, cool. I am gonna go to bed after I upload this. I'm actually really not that tired, but I'm sure I will be in a hot second. So anyway, I don't really have any plans for tomorrow. Mom's coming back up here. She's actually staying up here tomorrow because she's done pet sitting, and then she goes to Oregon on Monday. So she's coming up here tomorrow morning to finish the bathroom, and then the 2 women that she's going to Oregon with are going to come up here and they're going to pack up the car and everything. My only plan tomorrow is to go to the gym, like usual. So I'm sure I'll hang out with them a bit too, but yeah, it was a very good day. It's been a very good weekend so far, very productive. So, although the second half of today all I've done is sleep. Well, no, I also read, I hung out with Grandma. So, that's productive in my eyes. And good in my eyes. So, anyway, I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.